In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to export Webflow code and host it online. Now, let's begin with the first and foremost step, which is to log in to your Webflow account. By doing so, you are taking the initial step forward in this process that leads you towards successfully exporting your code. Once you've securely logged into your account, the next phase would involve selecting the specific project you want to deal with. You achieve this by navigating to your account's dashboard and then proceeding to open the respective designer section, specifically for that chosen project. Remember, each project you work on has its unique features, so ensure you have the correct one in place. The subsequent step you need to undertake would be locating and clicking on the Export Code icon. Essentially, this icon is strategically located in the far top right corner of the designer interface. You won't miss it as it's generally a distinguishing feature of the user interface, conveniently placed for ease of access. So, once you've successfully clicked the Export Code icon, a dialog box will promptly appear on your screen. Now, your next task would be to prepare a zip by clicking on the Prepare Zip button in this dialog box. This functionality essentially packages all your project's files in a compressed format, which makes it easier to handle or distribute if necessary. Now, we are nearly at the end of the process for exporting your code. After preparing the zip file, the following step will require your attention. Here, you need to click on the Download Zip button to effectively save the project's code in your computer's local storage. Remember, this benefits you by creating a backup of all your hard work, which can be stored away securely and conveniently accessed if and when needed. Lastly, just before we conclude this tutorial, it would be important to note that you must possess a paid Webflow plan to export any code. It's pertinent to consider this requirement prior to initializing the process to avoid any setbacks. This will ensure a smooth and uninterrupted process. That concludes our tutorial on how to export Webflow code and host it online. Let's take pride in your achievement today as you have mastered this crucial aspect of Webflow coding. This sets the stage for larger and more complex projects in the future. Thank you for being an attentive learner, and see you in the next tutorial.